previous show में Mismatch में Love of the Nation, and now Love for the Nation with this new show, bro. What a beautiful journey.
There were at least 200 people who auditioned. This man has got it on merit, okay? It's not because he gave me money.
Just hydrated me and gave me
Pura audition me had this IV drip.
I'm on my way to the audition. I'm in a t-shirt. I just realized that I'm playing a lawyer. I stopped. I said, okay, you know what? I can't work. I can't go back. I have this much time. I stopped at a shop. I bought a black suit. I called my manager. I was like, listen, get it on email.
If you want Taruk to act well, make him sick. देखो भाई हम advertising के लोग हैं, हमको ये सब बेचने को आता है. ए वासुन और ए भाजी. That's what I'll keep doing. I don't know why they call it melodramatic because there's nothing mellow about it.
My character is actually named after Ramsar's father.
I mean, I'm quite amazed that we're such bad actors. So I don't allow them to use all that.
It's so disrespectful not to put a reference track and tell the music.
ऐसा बनाओ.
ऐसा बनाओ. I actually don't show my actors the show before it gets released because I feel
great
that
for you.
there's too much pressure on them. Pineapple and jalapeno in pizza. Believe me, it's great.
Yes.
And there is.
Didn't you get like a twitch? It is the waking up of this studio this morning. My name is RJ Glenn. Welcome to Stars Ka Jugaad. We've got the team. And here you guys are. I'm so happy that you guys have joined us on the studio. Ram, thank you so much. आपने इस show को बनाया. Taruk, thank you so much for joining us. You're the protagonist. And Sameer, my man. After so many years,
Yes.
the music director, the man who's got a lot of strings attached. And he's created some magic with the music. We're going to start एक-एक करके. Taruk, I'll start with you. ये जो नया show आपका आया है, from being somebody who is the love of the nation to love for the nation.
I mean, I've just been very, very lucky that I got to play this part.
इसको पैसे मिले इधर.
And
ये credit नहीं आया यार पैसे.
आ जाएगा वो कभी-कभी.
आगे पैसे आ गए. अच्छी बात बोलना.
Silent पे silent.
IMPS था ना थोड़ा 2 घंटा.
Pay ही added.
No, but no.
It's all
but
thanks to
really-
Ram. Thank you.
It really is. It is thanks to Ram sir that, you know, he kind of took this, he had this belief that I could do it. I mean, I really wanted to. I gave everything I could to get this part. In fact, once I got it, I was in denial.
पैसे वापस दे दे.
I was in denial for a while and I actually got very, very. डर तो मुझे तब लगा जब मिल गया कि ओ अब तो कर रहा हूँ अब अलग स्टेज है. पर हाँ यार मतलब it's been a truly.
Tell us about when you went to audition for
yeah.
Abhimanyu
अभी बता रहा था.
casting
बहुत
director.
you know, so at the day of this was the final round of. I had been auditioning for this over months.
There were at least 200 people who auditioned. This man has got it on merit, okay? It's not because he gave me money.
यार आप नेपोटिज्म बोल देते प्रोमो निकल जाता हमारा. 3 बार आपके चेहरे पे जूम कर लेते हम लोग. नेपोटिज्म बोला ट्रेलर निकल जाता. ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. सर एक बार फिर से वो बोलो. इंडिया में 3 बार जब तक धड़म नहीं होना तब तक इम्पैक्ट नहीं
Well,
पड़ा.
Taruk paid me to be part of this.
Zoom the camera please over here.
Snap zoom. Taruk paid me.
Because I possess wealth. Yes.
And talent.
Ooh, well said.
Mostly wealth.
I agree. साउथ दिल्ली से आए हैं यार तो बहुत सारा तो है ही.
सर क्या
जमुना पारो से पूछो.
यहाँ पे मुंबई में रहना और अपने आप को पालना इतना.
But you are a Rehna only, no? So sorry, that's a very bad joke. Yes.
But no, so when I was going to audition, I went to Abhimanyu sir's office, and this was the final round of audition. I felt really sick. I got into my car, I went straight to my doctor. I told him, मुझे 2 घंटा जिंदा कर दो. बस 2 घंटा. 2 घंटा दे दो. उसके बाद जो भी मैं वापस आ जाऊंगा, मैं लेट जाऊंगा यहाँ पे. पर मुझे बस 2 घंटा. He loaded that IV drip with lots of vitamins, this, that, whatever. And he, you know, just hydrated me and gave me all
Pura audition me had this IV drip.
saline and everything he gave me. I got energy for 2 hours. I'm on my way to the audition. I'm in a t-shirt. I just realized that I'm playing a lawyer. I stopped. I said, okay, you know what? I can't work. I can't go back. I have this much time. I stopped at a shop. I bought a black suit. I didn't have anything, so I bought a black suit. I tried. When I was trying it, I didn't take it off. I exited the shop only like that.
Wow.
With the tag.
First black shoot with the tag also. Like Abhimanyu sir, when he was shooting it the first time, he's like, "What tag? He kab laya?" I was like, "Oh boy, abhi laya." So like I wore that suit. I went to sir. I auditioned. I was like, I was down and out, and like every ounce of energy had gone into that take. Okay, and then Abhimanyu sir said, "Ek aur kare kya?" And I was like, before I could say anything, he goes, नहीं ठीक है. And I was like, thank God. I have just
धन्यवाद.
like been like, thank you sir. I have left. I have gone back home and passed out.
Three things that I take away from this conversation that you said, success formula. One is what you spoke about, the fact that एकदम बेबाक होके निडर होके because there's nothing to lose. The other is you gave it your all, and the third is you left it to the universe and said मैं इतना थक गया हूँ छोड़ दे मैं जाके सोने वाला हूँ. I will give it my best shot.
हाँ नहीं सच में. और उसके बाद मतलब लगा बहुत वक्त लगा वापस फोन आने में क्योंकि मैं भूल चुका था honestly कि ये क्या हुआ था. वैसे भी वो दिन भी याद नहीं था मुझे क्योंकि ऐसा होता. And I was like ठीक है कर लेते हैं यार एक बार क्या हो जाएगा. इतनी बार 700-800 ऑडिशन देते हैं लाइफ में. ये एक और ऑडिशन है ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. मतलब अच्छा नहीं होगा शायद अगली बार ट्राई कर लेंगे. Finally when I got the call I was in disbelief. The first thing I didn't even say thank you. I remember Ankita called me saying you're on board and I said are you sure?
आप गलत इंसान को फोन तो नहीं किए कोई और तारू.
And then I called my manager. I was like, listen, get it on email. I need to see this. This could be anything. And then finally I was like, okay, we've done this now. और डर तब start हुआ कि अब तो करना है.
तो करना है. That's amazing. I think जैसा आपने कहा you were unwell, absolutely down and beaten, and this audition happened
And full circle happened because the last scene of like when I take on Michael O'Dwyer, Paul McEwan, who's a brilliant actor, that day on set I fell sick again. I think I reached a point of like I was tired I think and I think and the same thing in the van I took a drip.
and then you went and shot again.
And then I went and shot the exact same scene.
If you want Taruk to act well, make him sick. The moral of the story.
And get him some drip.
Yeah.
Get some drip.
अब देखो भाई, this is the rule for acting, which is tip 101. Be ill when you're acting.
And then you give it your all.
And then you give it your all.
But I always feel that, like Gen Z की भाषा में बोलूँगा, you were sick, but his music is sick, bro.
Music is sick.
No cap, bro.
No cap.
No cap.
It's classic.
It's Sam with his classic lines. But Samir, when you're giving music for something that has got patriotic fervor, एक sense of responsibility भी आती है आप पे, because आपके पास dialogues नहीं है, आपके पास केवल बोल हैं, वो 3 मिनट है गाने के साथ आपको create करना पड़ता है. So I don't know this from a music composer, singer's perspective. What is your thought process when you make a show like this?
यार वही अगर उसकी रियलिटी में घुस जाओ कि इसकी ग्रेविटी कितनी है, ये वी अमाउंट व्हाट वी आर टेकिंग ऑन इज सो बिग, तो यू विल क्रश अंडर इट. मैं भी शायद तारू की तरह बीमार पड़ जाता फिर और मुझे भी ड्रिप लेनी पड़ती. तो बट लकीली शायद यही है कि एक ही रूट है जो साउंड्स वेरी सूडो एंड इट साउंड्स लाइक वेरी मेक बिलीव, बट एक ही चीज़ दिमाग में होती है यार इसको बस अच्छे से करना है. यू पुट योर ऑनेस्ट बेस्ट सेल्फ एंड समथिंग विल हैपन. एंड बिकॉज बात वही है कि क्योंकि हम कबीर के दोहे लेके कर रहे हैं और एज यू सेड के जो सब्जेक्ट था बहुत हैवी और इंटेंस है. मैं वरना यूजुअली ठीक है आई डू अ लॉट ऑफ अदर स्टफ व्हिच इज फन,
Indie music, OG songs.
बट इसमें यही था कि इसीलिए वहाँ पे ना डायरेक्टर बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाते हैं. और मैं इसलिए बस यही था कि आई वाज जस्ट फॉलोइंग राम्स लीड इन अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस. आई वुड क्रिएट समथिंग एंड से राम व्हाट डू यू फील, एंड इफ राम सेज कि ये इमोशन करेक्ट लग रहा है सो वी वुड रन विद इट. Yeah, I had to literally walk in his shadow in for that, because इसमें यही है कि तुम कुछ करो and you need a bouncing board which can validate whatever you're doing is right.
And also, I don't get the music director to do the track after it's shot. They do the track before. So it's I then shoot to his music. I play it to my team. And I, in fact, begin to visualize it thanks to the music that he. So he does 8-10 minute scores. Then the editors cut it and it magically fits. So this is something which, and also I have to tell you what Samir, he may turn around and say, "Nahi, ye sab dil mein aata hai." He's also got that craft. He's also got that, so he'll say, let's use this rag and this is where that rag is coming from and that's why you will get this patriotic fervor if you use this rag. So he knows all of this also.
It's beautiful when all the energies come together to create one masterpiece. क्योंकि मैंने कुछ episodes देखे जो मुझे मिले थे and I had goosebumps at certain nuances जो मैंने देखी हैं. मैं आपको बताऊंगा. पहले तो मुझे आपकी तारीफ करनी है राम, क्योंकि आपने एक फिल्म बनाई थी 2002 में, Let's Talk. मैं स्कूल में था तब और मैंने तब बोला कुछ just याद है. I revisited that because I wanted to see same guy who made the same thing. हम meeting. It was a young Baban Irani over there.
Yeah.
That I remember that scene in the living room जो बैठे हैं वहाँ पे. He's got this weird energy Baman over there at that point. It's about this lady who's playing the scenarios in her head. ये ऐसे होगा वैसे होगा. To think of a subject like that. It was fun. Like, what a film.
What a film.
It's all downhill since then.
Until now.
Until now, when we have woken up to the Waking of a Nation, March 7th on Sony Live, I have to plug it.
Talk about segues with somebody who's making music and a director. They slid in so beautifully, like better than some people slid into Taruk's DMs. Beautifully, well done.
यार
It's
ad
like
वाले लोग
Muska, totally.
देखो भाई, हम एडवर्टाइजिंग के लोग हैं, हमको ये सब बेचने को आता है.
तेरे
तो
साथ
सर
बहुत
आपको जब लगे ना कि हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन कहीं पे जा रहा, आप ये
मैं स्लाइडिंग
कर लीजिए, सेगवे आप कर
ये
लीजिए.
जो मैं प्रभादेवी में रहता हूँ,
हाँ.
and thankfully we stay in a place which has like a jali lift, which
हाँ.
has a big tower. I can yet hear the street cries of the people. Hey Wasun, or hey Bhaji. That's what I'll keep doing. Hey, Waking of a Nation, March 7, Sony Live.
Absolutely epic. The Waking of a Nation, ये शो आपने बनाया बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है because the content is real. ये एक real life पे based है. But also when you're making something when
Inspired.
inspired.
It is a fictitious show. It's about 4 friends. It's about their story. It's about the youth of today. It's also, yes, it is about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which was a very serious thing that happened to us. But it's actually what the new thing we are saying is that it was a conspiracy. There's something that you don't know, which is that there was a commission, and in that commission, Taruk plays a lawyer. And though we've not based him on any real character at all disclaimers I'm putting over here right now. But basically, it is about Jallianwala Bagh के पहले क्या हुआ और क्यों हुआ और उसके बाद क्या हुआ. And therefore, it's a thriller in a way, where he investigates a crime that has happened, where you're hopefully edge of seat saying अब क्या होगा.
ये मैंने देखते वक्त ये मैंने डेफिनेटली महसूस किया. लेकिन एक चीज है जो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, जब आप ऐसा कोई शो बनाते हैं जिसमें पेट्रियोटिज्म बहुत ज्यादा होता है, as a creator, how much liberty do you take so that it doesn't trot onto the line of jingoism? क्योंकि ये बहुत हो सकता है. I'm not saying that this is something you will do consciously, because this is so heavy on something that has happened.
Right.
And उसके बाद आपने एक कहानी बनाई है. How do you manage that?
Well, we also talk about notions of duty in the show. So we're not showing the British people also as bad. Obviously, Daya did a very bad thing, and
Ji.
he has been shown like, in that light. And so did Michael O'Dwyer. But still, there are other British people over here who are not caricatures. So as soon as you begin to make it caricature, I think it becomes melodramatic. And I don't know why they call it melodramatic, because there's nothing mellow about it. Okay? We just make it dramatic. And as long as, like, for instance, even that last line which Taruk says, which is there in the trailer, it says Hindustan Zindabad, we had not written it. It's this man who decided at that point, he got motivated and he said, I'm going to say this, and the crowd, because I shoot with 4 cameras and in this what I call System 360, and the crowd reacted, and when you see it in the trailer, it's like a goose flesh moment.
Fair enough.
But the thing is that moment, if it was, like, how shall I say, rehearsed, if it was crafted, it would feel fake. I think as soon as you make it honest, authentic, real, I think you can tell that there's a difference between patriotic and jingoism. You're not pressing buttons over here. Yeah.
You know, I loved certain nuances जो आपके शो में दिखाए गए हैं. जैसे कि शो शुरू होने से पहले आपने कोट्स उठाए. चैडविक बोसमैन का एक कोट था, which I still remember. It said that colonialism is the cousin to slavery, something on those grounds.
Exactly.
Show started off with a bang for me. Like, dude, this is like reality hit. Episode में when Taruk, there are certain lines which were very nice where you said हम कोट नहीं पहनते, हम धोती कुर्ता जब पहनते हैं, there's a different feel that happens. आप जब विलायत से आते हैं, आप सबके लिए गिफ्ट्स लेके आते हैं. 4 दोस्तों की कहानी है. एक दोस्त को जब आप वो कलम देते हैं, then that's when he says that when I take any gift from you, Taruk, मुझे लगता है कि आप फॉरेन सरकार की गुलामी कर रहे हो. Very small nuances, but so interesting. That point जब आप roulette act देते हो और वहाँ पे वो hyphen लगा के what is that word? Indefinite pen में. Somewhere I feel your character is facing this guilt and dying within because आपने ही वो roulette act को commission किया है in a certain way. और आप
He was just an assistant who was just like trying to be sincere about
doing his job
and doing his duty, and so that is a liberty that we have taken. It is part of the fictional part of the show.
Right.
Waking of a Nation, March 7th, Sony Live.
I love it now. You know, it's nice that you're also speaking about this constantly, about how this is also part of fiction. जो आप लोगों ने इसमें liberties ली. But you as an actor, for me, was that moment that I told you this before we started this conversation कि it's so beautiful because I can see the pain, the guilt, दोस्ती की वो छल कपट जो आप कर रहे हैं, and you're finding it so difficult to say यार मैं कैसे बताऊं यार अब इनको, मैं क्या क्या करूँ. When you're prepping for such a character, what is the rehearsal process for you? Are you completely into the character, and when it's cut, can you switch out?
First of all, I mean, yes, there were lots of rehearsals, there were workshops.
Pooja Sheena did a workshop. Atul Mongia was part of it.
Pooja
so-
Sheena, Atul Mongia, everyone helped me a lot. Ram sir helped me a lot. But I think the main the main motivating factor for me, honestly, if it's not even about the fact that this is the biggest thing I've done in my life. It's not about the fact that this is like I'm a protagonist, proper protagonist for the first time, or anything. I mean, if you allow me to say, for someone to trust me with something so personal, that like my character is actually named after Ram sir's father.
Yeah, actually, and it's dedicated to our parents because Amita is my co-producer. Amita, her father was a freedom fighter, and so Kantilal is my father's name, and Allah Baks, who is Sahil's name. I'm sorry, I'm going to do a segue for a minute. So I was in boarding school in St. Peter's, Panchgani, and when I used to come from Panchgani to Pune to go to my town, which was Varsi, Allah Baks was the man who used to take me to back home. So all of these things are all, and what a name, Allah Baks, and therefore even Kanti is such an old-fashioned name, Kantilal.
Yeah.
So these were all part of the personal.
Yeah. So I mean,
Wow.
when someone
So I must say it was very odd every time calling him Kanti because that's my father. You don't call your father by your
By
first
his
name.
first name, yeah.
and when someone gives you that trust where they can trust you with your father's name, I had to kind of I don't think there was a limit to what I wanted to do because that was the biggest thing for me. That was the most important responsibility for me, apart from, of course, doing the job and acting and everything and performing and everything, but to kind of not let Sir down
And
on
I
that.
hope I haven't let them down, or the actors or the music, I haven't let them down. But I have to, while he's saying this, I have to say that yesterday I did get payback because I know it genuinely. So I got a watch from Taruk, which was his Nanaji's watch. And it's an HMT watch which has numerals in Urdu, and so thank you. This is now, and I don't ever wear a watch, and I'm wearing it all the time, getting the blessings of his Nanaji and his family. So
It's also black, so like,
It goes with the decor.
That's amazing. Now, there are so many stories that go behind making a show and making a show really beautifully successful. So you want to seg that in before I go to Samir?
shows.
Show.
Like
I said
the
show.
Making of a Nation.
Yeah.
Like the one which you'll watch on the
okay,
set.
what's the name of our show?
The Making of a Nation. When is it releasing?
1 minute. When is it releasing?
7th of March.
Oh yeah.
7th of March, ladies and gentlemen.
When is it releasing?
No, wow,
Sony
just
Live,
say that
Sony
again.
Live.
Sony Live. Excellent.
Thanks for reminding me, yaar.
That's it.
I mean, I'm quite amazed that we're such bad actors.
I'll tell you one, Taruk. Okay. Now, before I come to your question, so 2016, they called me for an audition. I couldn't believe it. Okay. So I am a stage person. I come out of the screen and deliver dialogues to you. So if you ask me to audition or something, मैंने screen के बाहर आके आपके गोद पे dialogue बोलनी है, इतनी energy है मेरे में. तो मुझे बुलाया, तो मैंने कहा ठीक है. It is one of a very reputed.
गोद पे मत बोलना.
ठीक है. Actually वो थोड़ा dangerous हो सकता है. तो यार मैं गया उस audition के लिए, उनको बड़ा अच्छा लगा, बोला you light up the screen, मैं बड़ा खुश हो गया, मैंने very good. तो बोला can you be a little more subtle? तो मैंने बोला okay. तो बोला फिर दूसरी ऑडिशन दी थी मैंने, फिर तीसरी ऑडिशन भी मैंने दी, बोला just mid level energy. This is me normal. So just cut it down to half. मैं गया, बोला ऑडिशन के बाद मुझे बोला कि great job यार, really liked you and all that, good energy, but if you want to show Ranveer Singh's childhood, we'll call you. So while I was leaving, I was very happy. I was like, shit, यार रणवीर सिंह का कमर क्या बात है? I called my friend. He said, it's a backhanded compliment. Cut to a few days back. Again, the same person called me, saying, send your pictures immediately. We want your pictures. I said, first of all, I change my voice every time I get an unknown number. Hello, कौन बोल रहा है? Saying so and so casting is. Yeah, hi, tell me. So pictures भेज दिया. आपका intro video भी भेज देना जल्दी. And I am contemplating. I'm like. And that person gave me the reference of that audition that I had done. And saying, we really like the audition, please send an. क्या बना रहे यार, ये सच्ची बता दो यार, क्या कर रहा है? I sent it. I'm still yet to. It's on blue tick. She's not replied. I'm waiting. Nevertheless,
That's usually how it goes.
Casting goes.
One day it will.
one day it will click. One day. Taruk, one day it'll happen.
One day.
The waking of Glenn. One day it'll
Till
happen.
then, these are my profiles.
Why I did that? So when I'm making music for them, what like I know this is a very cliched question, but this is the first time I've actually had someone from the music world come in for a web series to actually have a conversation. Otherwise, generally it's just the actors who come. And this is really cool because the first time we can have a 360. You shoot 360, so a 360 approach to this. Is it ever challenging for you as a creative person? Because every one of us who are creative have this block sometime, and we're like, अब क्या करें यार, आगे कैसे बढ़े? How do you handle that?
वो ये है कि 2-3 चीजें खासकर इस सीरीज के बारे में,
इस शो के बारे में,
इस
हाँ।
शो के बारे में अगर मैं बोलूँ, सी ऑफ कोर्स लाइक यू नो इवन व्हेन आई एम डूइंग माय फिल्म स्कोर्स आई टेक अबाउट 6 months 8 months. आई एम वेरी लेजी एंड लैक्स व्हेन आई वर्क ऑन स्टफ. सो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग 6 hours ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग ऑफ म्यूजिक, तो सोच लो कि मतलब कितना टाइम लग सकता है, शायद 3 साल 4 साल. बट हैविंग सेड दैट आई वाज सेव्ड बाय दिस मेथड दैट राम फॉलोज. बेसिकली पहली चीज तो ये हुई कि हमें एक रीड आउट, हाउ डू यू से,
like a narration.
नरेशन रीड आउट का पूरा वीडियो 6 एपिसोड्स का मिला. और वही इतना
It's my
पावर.
writer Shantanu Srivastava, Shatrujit Nath.
Shantanu is written, yes.
Exactly. So we basically we shoot them, and then they so then that narration, and it's read from the script, which we've spent now 3 years like writing, and now it's been 5 years since we began, and then we sent it to Sameer about.
क्योंकि मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ता तो हूँ नहीं, उतनी इंग्लिश हिंदी नहीं आती और उतनी क्षमता भी नहीं है. तो मैंने तो इन्होंने बोला कि 6 एपिसोड्स का पूरा रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ है यार. हम उस रीड आउट में ही इतने ज्यादा वी यूज्ड टू गेट इमोशनल बिकॉज यू कैन सी इन द वर्ड्स देयर वाज सो मच पावर. सो ऑब्वियसली वंस इट प्रेसिपिटेट्स इनटू एक्टिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, नो दैट दिस इज गोइंग समवेयर. पर उससे जो सबसे बड़ा फायदा ये हुआ. और दूसरी चीज लाइक राम वाज वेरी क्लियर कि यार लेट्स डू आवर वर्क ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कबीर्स राइटिंग्स. तो हम जो कंपोज करेंगे हम कबीर के दोहों को ही री एनविजन करते हैं, रिकम्पोज करते हैं अपने हिसाब
So
से.
the melodies are all original, but
So-
the dohas are from Kabir.
तो इसलिए वी टुक दैट लिबर्टी. सो दैट वाज अनदर थिंग बिकॉज एक तरीके से लोगों को सुनने की आदत है और मैंने उसमें बहुत लिबर्टीज ली क्योंकि ना मुझे रागदारी बहुत समझ में आती है. मैं खाट मतलब ठाट समझ सकता हूँ थोड़ी बहुत. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ठाट जैसे कुछ जगहों पे मैंने लिबर्टीज ली हैं कि मैं यू नो जस्ट टू हैव अ कलर ऑफ व्हाट वी आर फीलिंग अबाउट द स्क्रिप्ट. मैंने मेजर माइनर के जैसे हम परदेसी में वही बात कर रहे थे हम पहले कि उसमें एक जगह पे माइनर भी जाता है, एक जगह पे मेजर भी जाता है, विच इज यूजुअली वेरी ब्लास्फेमस इन टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल
Music,
हाँ, क्योंकि अगर एक राग का एक चलन है उसमें वही नोट्स जाएंगे. तो वो भी थोड़े बहुत लिबर्टीज ली इसलिए ली क्योंकि वो फीलिंग थी, केम फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ ऑनेस्टी.
Right.
तो सबसे बड़ी बात ये हुई कि हमने पहले तो दोहे क्रैक किए. हमने कहा कि हमें ये सारे कुछ तारुक गाएंगे क्योंकि प्रोटैगनिस्ट है और कोई कैरेक्टर का भी उसमें काम है, वो गा रहा है, मतलब ही सिंगिंग लिप सिंक व्हिच इज वेरी रेयर इन सीरीज.
Right.
लाइक एनी ऑफ द लाइक ही इज एक्चुअली लिप सिंकिंग हिज बिकॉज इट्स हिज कैरेक्टर. तो एक तो हमने पहले वो क्रैक किए. उसके बाद हमने जो भी हमारी अब देयर आर 2 parts ऑफ द सीरीज. वन इज द इंडियन साइड, द स्ट्रगल, एंड देन द अग्रेशन ऑफ द ब्रिटिश.
Right.
तो दोनों के लिए थीम्स चाहिए थी. तो राम ने कहा कि यार देखो मुझे आई लाइक टू स्कोर एवरीथिंग बिफोर हैंड. मैं बाद में जाके तुम्हें मैं डार्क नाइट का रेफरेंस और ये सब देने नहीं वाला हूँ. वो एडिटर्स को आई डोंट अलाउ देम टू यूज ऑल दैट.
It's so disrespectful not to put a reference track and tell the music.
ऐसा बनाओ.
ऐसा बनाओ.
वो फिर
That's beauty, man.
हाँ. तो वही था कि पहले ही जो राइट बिफोर द शूट वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन द दोहास, वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन द सॉन्ग्स एंड द थीम्स. तो जो हमारे साइड की थीम्स थी वो काफी कुछ दोहों से प्रेसिपिटेट कर गई. पर जो पूरा का पूरा जो ब्रिटिश साइड था वो वी हैड टू क्रिएट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. मतलब बिकॉज देयर वाज नो रेफरेंस
There's no reference point for that, yeah.
तो वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी थी. उसमें वी यूज्ड टू जस्ट यूज लाइक हम लोग उसको इमोशन पे फाउंडेशन देते थे कि ये है.
No, but you would compose 10 minute, 15-minute tracks.
And then
Which the editors
then you
would
will
then
sift
cut.
through it.
Yeah. But you know, it was like sometimes you just place the track on what we shot and it would work. Not sometimes, most times.
Wow.
It was magical. Like we had a conspiracy theme that I had to play to the actors before the shoot, so that in the commission, that's a way that we could understand how to shoot it. His music made me visualize how I could shoot it.
Dude, this is so cool. I got goosies when you said that. That's interesting, man.
It was new for me as well because हम usually we react to footage.
Correct.
But this time you had to purely react on emotion.
Emotion.
तो मेरे लिए थोड़ी uncanny valley थी. I would
But it
say
was
that.
fun.
हाँ, it was great fun because also क्या हो रहा था कि जैसे ही जो टेस्ट शॉट्स मतलब इनिशियल फुटेज के जो कट्स आते थे, यार ये तो बैठ गया एकदम.
हाँ.
ये तो अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड उसमें
And if you had scored it, he would not have done that.
वो हुआ. There was one scene where I actually in the first episode, I redrafted one scene because we thought कि शायद इसको कुछ करना चाहिए, and I did the whole thing, dressed it up for 3 days. राम को भी भेजा, राम और ने बोला अच्छा समीर क्या लग रहा है? मैंने कहा आप बताओ. नहीं, मैंने कहा नहीं.
Because then he was, you know, the thing with the job of a music director is to be a co-actor. Okay, that's really, he has to make sure that, so if now you begin to emotionalize and emphasize what the actor has already acted, that's what you do if you're like, if you're doing it later to say, हाँ यार इसका emotion में highlight करता हूँ. That's not what you should be doing. You know, because
Has to be
you're-
complimenting.
Exactly, and you should be in a way also sometimes contradicting what is happening rather than, you know, sort of just being somebody who is now going to say, अच्छा ये उसने, now we need father and son का एक emotional moment है तो मैं यहाँ emotional track डाल देता हूँ. Yeah, so that's not the way it works. But then he had friendship track था, father son, but he had it in his imagination. We put it in there, and I don't know how magically it worked.
Taruk, hats off to you for convincing the this जोश और जज्बे के साथ आपने वो lines deliver किए to stand in a courtroom and to hold me for like 30-40 minutes.
Yeah. नहीं तो मैं वही बात पे
You
कह
know,
रहा
we
था
used to have the 150 people who were cast who were part of the commission ka audience. And people call them junior artists. I don't call them junior artists. People call them background. I don't call them background. To me, they're the foreground. But those people who have been all cast by Abhimanyu Ray also, and they all have their backstories and workshops and rehearsals, they would start clapping at the end of a take for what Taruk did.
Dude,
yeah.
I'm so happy for you. I don't know why his win feels like a personal win. You know, some people you just feel कि अच्छा है यार, thanks for inspiring, thanks for good work.
No, but they kind of actually got me through it because, you know, after I don't think they knew what was going to happen. So the first day,
Then it's long takes, and it's like theatre meets documentary meets film, and you're worrying about your craft and and I don't use lights, and you know, so it's actually happening.
so you know when we did the first take, which was I was the most nervous for, but I was just like, you know what, I'm just going to just.
But this is where his theatre experience also comes in. You know, he knows his lines, he knows and एक crafty actor तो है, उसको पता है, वही सब ये बोलता है लेकिन उसको पता है.
No, but I'll tell you, with the 150 people who were there, because so I don't think they knew what was going to happen. After the first take got done, I think 5 of them came to me, and because I think they were just, it was about 55 minutes or something like that when it went on non-stop. And I was talking, and it ended. I remember
It's such a long shot.
Yeah.
That wasn't even.
And
the
out
longest.
of which we may use 5-10 minutes, but what happens is you capture life before action, after cut. It's not just in between action and cut. That's you create an energy and you're capturing an energy. That's why it feels real. How can otherwise, you know, if it was crafted in that normal way, कि ये setup हुआ, ये shot हुआ, hey, right, cut, roll, etc. You don't do it like that. You just make it happen. So
You know, they came to me and they said, आप हमें बताओ आपको क्या चाहिए, हम करेंगे. I have never had that
backing.
backing of, like, I've never had that feeling come to me where someone has offered like that kind of help.
because you know he's reacting. So even if I'm doing his shot, he's reacting off their energy.
Yeah.
It's not as if अच्छा आप लोग का काम हो गया, अभी आपका shot है, अभी आप अकेला close up है. No, it doesn't work like that.
Even their reactions, most
He's
of them
organic
are
थे काफी.
organic.
हाँ.
Yeah, it's happening with them.
यार मैं ना आप लोग बोल रहे हो तो एक पार्ट आती है जहाँ पे वो मैसेकर के बाद वाला सीन जब आप नाम लेते हो फेसलेस भाई उसमें मेरी I have like you've not shown death over there but you're just saying these
Yeah,
things.
I don't show the massacre. I've been very respectful
Yes.
to what happened. And,
It still brought a tear to my eyes
Yeah.
because the power in which the artists who are there in the courtroom
Yeah.
stand up and say मेरी भी बच्ची
Yeah.
मरी है इसमें लेकिन नाम नहीं है.
Yeah. Because they built statistics over time, and then the idea was to try and see how I could and how we could as a team yet bring you to that emotional feeling that these are all forgotten names. We know General Dyer's name, but do we know a single person's name and we are saying it's over 400, but there could be over 2,000. Nobody's even got a real historical record of it.
Right.
So it was done in a way, but I think hats off to Taruk, hats off to all my cast, including Nikita Poonam, who's part of that commission when she comes and also speaks. You know, really, I'm proud of that. I'm sorry to say, I'm proud of it.
So when are you proud? When will people be proud of it? What date?
7.
What date? Sorry. Say that again, sir. When will people be proud of
I
it?
think it's the 7th of March.
March.
7th of March,
What?
on
What?
Sony Live.
On Sony Live, right?
The Waking of a Nation.
Yes. So remember.
And please tell us what you feel, and I hope that you feel the same way that Glenn has felt.
I had the best midweek. I'm saying I had the best midweek because I got to see the show. It was, you know, sometimes you just say it and you just want to like marinate in some glory and some good content.
I am the only one in this room who hasn't seen the show.
I actually don't show my actors the show before it gets released.
Huh.
Because
would
I
be
feel
great
that
for you.
there's too much pressure on them. And you know, I don't want them to go through that. They should see it. So I think the first time that they see it, all the actors when they see it on the 7th of March. But,
On Sony Live?
On Sony.
Also, really?
on
Waking of a
6th
Nation? Yes.
Yeah, so 6th night is when it'll release.
On the stroke of midnight.
Yeah, on the stroke, of the midnight hour.
Yes, sir.
But the thing is that when they see it, they're going to be so nervous that it'll only take them like 3 or 4 days later that they'll see it again, that they'll begin to actually feel what
What they've
happened.
done. Yeah.
So, but anticipation is also not fun. Like it's like I really want. I don't know what to
Make out of it.
I don't know anything. I haven't
love
seen a
this.
frame of it. I'm just so like. Also because constantly every day everyone is talking about.
But now tell me, while dubbing, didn't you see anything?
Arey, if I have to change one word, na, I get shown half a second of it. I can't understand anything.
I don't show them.
Also,
Trust me,
see,
you
the
will.
thing is, he's been right about everything, and I know he's going to be right
I
about
don't know. I hope that I don't let the team down. I hope I don't let you down.
That is
And I hope
ridiculous.
that no. But it's there is. I think the burdens of that release and
No.
So like, I'm going to go and have on the 7th. I'm going to go and have a thali.
I thought we were going for a burger.
Oh, we're going for a burger. In fact, this is our ritual. This is our ritual.
Burger.
Because once I caught him in Amritsar, I said, Taru, क्या लेके जा रहा है hotel के अंदर? Because deliveries, etc. And he said, I said, I don't care. I'm taking it. And then that's what we now do, which is
Share burgers.
Yeah, share burgers.
What man bugger?
what
What
man
man
bugger,
bugger? Stressed out for no reason.
Yeah, what about the song? They should sing.
Yeah, we'll do that. No, we'll do
Yeah.
that. We'll just do that after this one quick segment. You're playing a lawyer, bro.
Yes.
And you gotta tell me whether these things are legal, illegal. All three of y'all, okay? He's playing lawyer.
I'm not an actual one.
I know that.
Neither am I.
All right, let's start. Let's start with you, Taruk. Bombarding a friend's DM with reels.
Legal.
Excellent. Ram, आपके लिए.
Encouraged.
Eating pineapple on pizza.
I'm a Gujarati.
So you will eat it, no?
I'll eat it. I love it. In fact, it's one of my favorite. They call it a Hawaiian.
Hawaiian beans?
I love it. Okay? And then I put jalapeno, so it's like chunda on pizza.
Chunda on pizza.
I'm really against moral policing, but this is one thing.
Yeah.
Is just
How? It's the best
Blasphemous.
thing ever. Pineapple and jalapeno in pizza. Believe me, it's great.
Yes.
And there is.
Didn't you get like a twitch? But pineapple फिर भी ठीक है. Pineapple chicken खाया है मैंने, लेकिन ठीक है, देख लेते हैं.
Well, the Hawaiian is actually pineapple and chicken, but you put the jalapeno also.
चलो try करते हैं. समीर, आपके लिए taking bites from someone else's food without asking.
Legal.
Watching cringe reels full loud में public space में.
illegal.
Excellent, I agree with you. Sir, speaking with a fake accent.
Right, eh, mate? That's right.
Jerry, how is he not lovely?
I'm a Gujarati, so I'll say Kemche, alright, Shay?
Ah, nice. Texting single words when someone writes an entire paragraph.
Legal. Depends on who's sending me.
Who's sending it? Taruk, get ready with me. I mean the videos.
Yeah, I mean, we see so many of them that I guess they are legal.
All right, well done. Taking meme references in normal conversations.
Nah.
Illegal.
Yeah, but no, it's illegal.
Illegal for Ram.
Yeah, it's
Illegal.
Reads books, yeah.
Taking, saying let's meet up soon, but never making those plans. It never leaves the WhatsApp.
That's me, so it's 100% legal.
100% legal. Okay.
Let's catch up, bro.
मिलते हैं जल्दी भाई जल्दी.
Let's-
मिलते हैं.
All right. Sneaking into someone else's phone.
Oh, illegal. That's bad.
Nice.
That's bad.
Acting really sweet and mushy in front of someone you don't really like.
It's legal.
Legal. 100% for Ram.
It's an everyday event.
Alright, Samir, this is the last one for
My
you.
life is a lie.
You're an actor, it is.
Yeah.
Using short forms while texting. WBU.
Illegal. I don't follow them. So yeah.
समझ में नहीं आता
मेरे
भाई.
को-
Earlier when you had that paper character thing where
Yeah.
you had to get a 59 rupees ka
Yeah.
recharge. That time it made sense. But
Yeah.
now like I mean
Like my cousin while playing FIFA online, he's asking WBU. I'm like,
WBU क्या होता है?
मैं वही पूछा उससे, क्या है WBU? Well, what about you? I'll say I'll slap you. Your mother has spent so much money to send you to
I
international
just
school.
say ISU.
But should it be WAU?
WU. What about you? So they have that thing.
About,
Some of these kids. Some of these kids. I'm like, क्या है?
I'm going to bring it back to the topic by saying WON. The
Waking of a nation. Sir, when, sir?
One.
When?
Okay, when? One when?
One when. Great alliteration.
7th of March.
7th of March.
Only
Sony
live.
live.
On Sony live.
One when 7th March सोनी लिव पर. अब लास्ट पार्ट पे आते हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास वक्त बहुत कम है. एक ट्रैक हो जाए.
दो दिन का है जुगमा मेला, 2 दिन का है जुगमा मेला, सब चला चली का खेला, ओ सब चला चली का खेला, सब चला चली का खेला, ओ सब चला चली का खेला, सब चला चली का खेला। कोई चला गया, कोई जावे, कोई चला गया, कोई जावे, कोई गथड़ी बांध सिधावे, कोई खड़ा तैयार अकेला, सब चला चली का खेला, ओ सब चला चली का खेला, सब चला चली का खेला।
Wow. Dude, Taruk has left it on a very major note. And we're going to say thank you to you guys. Thank you so much for being
It always
here.
brings tears to my eyes when you sing.
Like, there's so much.
Soul and pain and
Yeah,
well,
it's-
that's what the show is about, and it's an emotional show, and it is about speaking about humanity and insaniyat, and you've heard that from the melody of Samiruddin and the words of Kabir.
Amazing. Guys, this is a mic drop moment. Thank you very much for a great chat.
Thank you.
Great, man.